can't sleep. I can't fall asleep. Oh, I can't sleep. Hello?
Hello?
Hey, I need to talk to you right now.
Okay, I'll be right over. So, what's wrong?
I'm so tired that I can't sleep.
Why don't you just lay down until you fall asleep?
I tried that already.
So, what do you want me to do about it?
I think we should go see the elder.
So when do you want to go?
Let's go now.
Okay, let's get going.
Oh. Okay, let's go.
Is that the elder? Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Oh, bonjour, honey.
Elder? He looks younger than I do.
Make yourselves comfortable. It's hot in here. Might have been. Might have been mon pied.
Sam. Here, elder.
Chimigwech. Oh, chimigwech.
Well, since nobody's sitting here.
Oh, I'm sitting here. I told you get the floor.
Respect your elder.
Yeah, young man. Respect your elders. I know why you're here.
Really?
Yes, you're here to see me. Chimishkimut.
Beyond stating the obvious, the main reason why we're actually here is he's having a hard time sleeping. So we're here to seek your wise counsel. Do you understand?
Yes, I knew that too. I was just about to get to that before you rudely cut me off. You're looking for the medicine tree, and in order to get there, you have to venture through the forest, which will lead you to the Badlands. And then... Whoa, Baz Magwit, Shkina, Gigibo Gitna.
Gawin.
Must have been me then. When you get to my age, they just happen to slip out sometimes. Now back to where I was before you rudely cut me off again.
Respect your elder.
What?
You'll make your way to a wall of cedars, which will lead you to a door, which leads into a room. And within this room, you'll encounter a disturbing man. A man that they call Perry! He came to me in this dream once. And he whispered to me, he said to me, "The cornflakes are in the cupboard. And the milk is in the fridge." What do you think that means?
Very interesting. Perhaps it is the superego trying to communicate with the ego to perhaps tell it We're here for your advice, you wrinkly old bag.
There you go. Interrupting me again. Jeez. Now where was I? Oh yeah, Perry. After Perry, you would have made it to the Great Medicine Tree. But beware of the mysterious Black Robe. Many have described him as being half priest, half jester, and half bird. And in order to make it past this Black Robe, you'll have to outsmart him. You'll have to trick him. There are many medicines in this Great Medicine Tree, so make sure you grab the red medicine. Oh wait. Maybe it's the blue medicine that you need. Yeah, it's the blue medicine. Make sure you grab the blue medicine. That's the one you need.
You know, that's actually really helpful. I think we have direction now.
Of course.
Aho, chimigwas chimashkamat.
Aho. Mama being guaman.
Stop that.
I think we found it. But we better hurry up, you don't know what might be there. Come on.
I see a door.
Okay, let's go in. It's dark in here. Pick up that flashlight. Can't see anything over there.
Well, I can't see anything up there.
Huh.
Oh.
What the heck?
Where go Wyoming?
I think we want to go to that door behind you and kind of get through it, I think.
Gindas, huivasens. Gimu diena.
Go green.
Everything's so flexible. Aha. Nakoe. Jibwa majaye. Mandan gitchime shit. Dashkadan.
Okay, then I will do it.
Look where Tanaka make.
Me, no, manek.
Aha. Hanemaja. Gego modie kegon.
O. Aha. Miłość. Emaana.
Jan Gomezin.
Aha. Where'd he go?
He's gone. There's the tree.
There he is. That must be him.
I got an idea. I'm getting distracted. I got a disguise. Okay. I look like you now.
Okay. You distract them and I'll go up into the tree and I'll get it, okay?
What do you want?
I want to ask you a question.
What is it?
Hmm.
Oh, he's gone distracted. This is my perfect chance to get up there.
What is your question?
What do you want?
Okay, I'm gonna have to do that a little bit differently. Which one is it? He said the blue one, I think. Got it. I got it.
You tricked me. Ah! 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 Ah!
I got it.
So this is the medicine. Huh. I guess all I needed was some fresh air. So, all that for nothing. I wonder how this is.
Every day I'm shuffling. Shuffling. Hey,
Party rockers in the house tonight. Woo! Everybody just have a good time.
yeah.
And we gon' make you lose your mind. Everybody just have a good time. Let's go. Party rockers in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. Feel it, man. And we gon' make you lose your mind. We just wanna see you shake that.
Every day I'm shuffling.
Shake that.
Shuffling.
Good sleep.
Good sleep. Cornflakes. Milk. Dancing men. Oh. Good thing he didn't take that stuff.
Ah, my head. What happened last night?
Red medicine. It was the red medicine.
Trick